Everybody. Today I'm going to do a little video and teach you guys that don't know about NRG setups and the things that you need to use. So today our example hub is just this one here. This one usually is for an Eclipse, Subaru, stuff like that, but it's in our example hub. We've got the choices of quick releases here. Now you can pick the different colors and all that good stuff. These are just examples. You got some bucket seats and a steering wheel. So first thing you would do is figure out what kind of car you have and the model it is and all that good stuff. And basically NRG was sorted out by a hub, so SRK 100, 138, so on and so forth. So let's say if this is your hub. Cool, we got it knocked down. What you would do is your basic tool essentials, depending on the car, pop it off, you would see your steering wheel column come apart. As soon as you break it off, you would basically put this on over, lock it down with a 19mm bolt, and you will stare at this. The next piece to the puzzle is the quick release part. Now, you can get the really, I would say the most popular by far, the NRG quick releases here. Now this one is the 2.0, so it's going to have your basic essentials here, and it's going to have a safety button here. Now in order to take it off, all you do is push the safety button down, push up, and it would release itself, just like so. NRG does make a cool one if that you want to skip that safety button part. You can use the one that is a one-handed release. All you would do is quickly here, boom, pull. So it will come off with just one hand. You don't have a button, one hand, easy, simple. Now what they do with the upgrades as it goes up to the 2.8s to 3.0s, you can see here, I wish I could zoom in, it has like layers for your fingers. So your fingers are spaced apart as you're releasing from here, up, and push the button down and it'll come apart, just like that. Then when you get to 3.0, same thing, bat wings, so on and so forth. So all you would do is figure out what car you have, mount the hub, take the base of the quick release, mount it to the hub, like so. Then you pick the wheel that you have, and you would just Allen head it on to the quick release here, just like that. So it would look like this in your hand when you're off and you're not driving anymore, and your car would look like this. Now if you want the fourth piece to lock, we do have those too, and I'll do a separate video where I add that into it. But as for now, these are the pieces you need. You simply lock it on and close it. You spin it. It only goes in one way, just like that, like so, and you'll be starting up your setup like that. Very easy. I wish I had a car to show it on, and I wish I had better recording equipment, but that's it for now. So hopefully that helped you guys out, and I will add it to our YouTube channel. If you guys, obviously didn't let it go too much on Instagram, so make sure you guys head over to there, and I'll try to do more videos, review our bucket seats, and other things. If you guys have any ideas of what you guys want to see get reviewed and all that good stuff, let us know. That way I can make them for you, and hopefully this helps you out. Cool? We'll see you guys later, huh?